Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself, my name is Mami Aminisi. I'm from class K. In this video, I will talk about the importance of language mastery in modern era. In today's modern era, language mastery has become one of the most important skills. Language is not only a tool for communication, but also a bridge to gaining knowledge, building relationship, and opening opportunities in education and employment. Besides mastering Indonesian as our national language, we should also learn foreign languages, especially English, which is really used in technology, education, and the professional world. For Muslim, Arabic is also important because it is the language of the Holy Quran, the primary source of Islamic studies. By mastering the parents' language, we can access more information, understand other culture, and improve our competitiveness at both national and global levels. Therefore, let us continue to improve our language skill so that we face challenges and take advantage of opportunities in this modern era. Thanks you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.